Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest and most exciting news in the world of crypto. Today we're talking about a meme coin that's been making waves recently, Moo Deng Coin, or as we like to call it, mooding. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just someone curious about this growing trend, you'll want to stick around for this one. So what exactly is Moo Deng? Well, believe it or not, it all started with a cute little pygmy hippo named Moo Deng, born at the Khao Kiao Open Zoo in Chonburi, Thailand. She was born back in July, and from day one, the zookeepers shared her adorable moments on social media. People were hooked. I mean, who can resist a baby hippo, right? Her videos quickly went viral, racking up millions of views across platforms like Instagram and TikTok. And as we've seen before with viral sensations, it wasn't long before someone decided to turn Moo Deng's fame into a cryptocurrency. And that's how Moo Deng Coin was born. What started as a fun, meme-based coin is now capturing serious attention from investors and crypto enthusiasts all around the world. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Recently, a major crypto investor, who we call a whale, made a huge move. This whale just bought 2,000 SOL worth of Moo Deng Coin. That's around $311,000. Let that sink in. But that's not all. This same whale has already been actively buying Moo Deng. In total, they've invested a staggering 27,848 SOL, which is worth about $4.3 million. With this latest purchase, they now own 17.7 million Moo Deng coins, making them the second largest holder of Moo Deng. This is no small thing. When whales invest this much, it often signals that something big could be brewing. So why does this matter? Well, in the crypto world, big investments from whales often serve as a vote of confidence in a coin. It's a sign that they believe in the coin's future potential, which can attract other investors to follow suit. When someone throws down millions of dollars on a coin, people start to pay attention. Think about it. A big move like this can ignite excitement and speculation. Investors see a whale making moves, and they start to wonder, do they know something I don't? Should I get in on this too before the price shoots up? It's this domino effect that sometimes leads to a surge in the coin's value as more and more people try to get in on the action. This is where FOMO, or fear of missing out, comes into play. As soon as people hear about big investments in a coin, they don't want to be left behind. They rush to buy in before prices rise. And if Moo Deng keeps generating this much buzz, we could be looking at a serious spike in demand. Remember, we've seen this happen with meme coins before. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, these started as jokes but quickly turned into serious market movers when people jumped on the bandwagon. Could Moo Deng be the next big thing in meme coins? Time will tell, but with big names making moves, it's definitely one to watch. If you're interested in checking out Moo Deng Coin for yourself, it's currently available on a few platforms. Just like any crypto investment, though, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks. Meme coins can be volatile, and while there's potential for big gains, there's also the chance for big losses. So invest wisely and never more than you can afford to lose. And that's it for today's update on Moo Deng Coin. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest in crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We'll keep bringing you all the news you need to know about the hottest trends in the market. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the game. See you next time.